So let's look at pH of weak acids and weak bases. How do we easily calculate pH of weak acids and weak bases? Now, we have two simple methods. Is that okay? For weak acids, that is, we are talking about the acid dissociation constants, that is the Kas. And you know, we said that weak acids undergo slight or partial dissociation. So since it is not a complete dissociation, we can't easily get the H plus ions completely to enable us to calculate its pH directly. Is that okay? So we have two methods that I'm going to explain quickly. First of all, one, we will need to calculate the H plus ion concentration using the relation conc of H plus is equal to the root of Ka multiplying C. What is the meaning of this? The Ka here is the weak acid dissociation constant, and it will be stated in the question as well. The C is the conc of the weak acid, and the Ka is the weak acid dissociation constant. Is that okay? So first of all, to get a H plus ion concentration, we use root of Ka times C. So once you get your H plus ion concentration from this relation, then you write pH is equal to the negative log of the H plus ion concentration. Then you can finally calculate the pH of that weak acid. So two steps. Step one, you first of all calculate the H plus ion concentration using the relation root of Ka times C. What is the Ka? The Ka is the weak acid dissociation constant, and its value will be given to you in the question. The C represents the concentration of the weak acid, and that will also be given to you in the question. So once you take the roots of these two variables in terms of their product, you finally use the relation pH is equal to negative log of the H plus ion concentration. Then you can get the pH of your stated weak acid. We are going to look at calculation questions with relevant examples. Is that okay? Now, apart from these two scenarios here, we can equally use the general formula that is given by pH of the weak acid is equal to half pKa minus half log C. The pKa is simply the negative log of the Ka. Is that okay? So to get the pKa is simply the negative log of the Ka value. Now the C here is the concentration of the weak acid. Is that okay? So if you think the first one is going to be more complex or is going to waste time, you can equally use the general formula pH is equal to half pKa minus half log C. Meaning, first of all, you need to get your value of the pKa, because mostly in the questions, you'll be given the Ka value. So you can get your pKa by just taking the negative log of the Ka. Is that okay? Then the C is the concentration of the weak acid, and that will also be stated in the question as well. So method one, calculate the H plus ion concentration first. That is using the relation root of Ka times C. Then finally calculate the pH using the negative log of the calculated H plus ion concentration in one. Or straightforward, pH is equal to half pKa minus half log C. Is that okay? Any of these two methods, we can use it to calculate the pH of weak acid. For strong acid, you should go and refer on our videos on that. That one comes with the direct dissociation or complete dissociation. So we can easily get the H plus ion concentration from the concentration of the strong acid or its corresponding base. Let's consider pH of weak bases as well.